In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to export videos in DaVinci Resolve. The first thing you need to do is to come over to this bottom right section over here and select Deliver. Now the next thing you want to do is to come over to Render over here and select this tab over here. What you want to do is to select the entire timeline or in and out range if you want to export the entire timeline or in and out range. To export the entire timeline, simply hit Entire Timeline. But to export a specific portion, what you need to do is to select In and Out Range. Now move your cursor to the start point and hit I on your keyboard. And move to where you want the export to end and hit O on your keyboard. Now this will set your in and out points. Next, move over to the left portion of your screen over here and you will see the render settings over here. Now we'll select this line over here and drag it to the right. You can see other templates for exporting your videos. We have YouTube templates, Vimeo, TikTok, and other social media platforms over here. We also have templates for exporting to Premiere Pro, Final Cut, and other video editing softwares. But I'm going to select the custom export over here. Now the first thing you want to do is to give your file a name. I'm going to name this iExport. Next, you want to select the location where you want this saved, so select Browse. And for me, I'm going to select Downloads for some strange reason and hit Save. Now, make sure that the single clip option here is checked and video is selected. Now, for your format, set it at MP4. For your codec, you want to leave it at H.264 and leave your encoder as auto. For the resolution over here, 1920 by 1080 is high definition, so you want to leave it at that. But if you want something higher, you can always scroll down and select something higher. But I'm going to leave it at 1920 by 1080. For the rest over here, you do not need to change anything and just select Add to Render Queue. And automatically, you will see that a Render Queue tab has been opened at the top right portion over here. The next thing you need to do is to select Render All. Once it's completed, you will receive this prompt over here. And now if you go over to where you have it saved, for me it is Downloads. All I need to do is to go to the most recent download and you can see my iExport over here. And that's it guys on how to export videos in DaVinci Resolve.